Join me to work through some emotions with sounds and breath right now. First, let's release any anger or frustration that might be held in that liver. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are gonna have our arms out nice and wide, and we're just going to rotate our spine, and this is gonna hit our body just a little bit. And every time we exhale, we are gonna make the sound shh. Now let's go ahead and turn some of that fear into wisdom and gentleness. We're going to do this by going back by our kidneys where fear is constantly getting stuck. We are going to rub down our lower back where our kidneys are and push out. When we push out, we are going to breathe in till we get up to our chest. And then we are gonna wrap our arms around to where our kidneys are, and we are gonna exhale with that healing sound of chew. 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 Now let's go ahead and release that grief and turn it into courage. This is going to be stored in the lungs where the grief is. So we're going to really breathe in as we lift our arms all the way up to our chest. We're going to rotate them up, and then we're going to push them down to the ground as we exhale. So we're going to breathe in all the way up, and then we are going to exhale with that healing sound of Let's turn that anxiety and impatience into joy and love. How we are going to do this is we are going to breathe into our chest, and as we exhale, we are going to imagine creating a heart with our hands, coming back down, touching to where our belly button is, breathing into the chest, exhaling as we make that heart down to the belly button, making the sound ha. 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 Now to turn all that worry into balance, we are going to breathe in as we bring our hands towards our lungs and our chest, and we are going to exhale as we rotate our palms and push out with the healing sound of hoo. Breathing in as we flip those palms, coming to the chest, exhaling, hoo. Hoo. Whatever emotion you were stuck in, are you in a different one now? Do you feel different? Let me know.